RWA, another phenomenal track after DeFi. CNC uses RWA title confirmation technology. Help assets quickly go on the chain. Unlock tens of billions of assets. Promote global wealth redistribution. Build a compliant asset exchange. Connect global users. Greatly improve asset liquidity. Pass DID certification and strict KYC certification system. Meet regulatory requirements of multiple countries. Introduce a professional legal and regulatory team. Open the last level of Web3. Unlock the future of encrypted social networking. CNC, the world's first RWA aggregation ecosystem, leads the new future of finance.